Hello everyone, and welcome back to our OET Writing Academy. Today, we have an essential topic to cover that will greatly enhance your patient history writing skills. I'm your host Sanatha, and in this video, we're diving deep into the proper use of since and for in OET writing. So, let's get started. Let's begin with for. This word is used to specify a period of time in the past, present, or future. It's important to remember that for is often accompanied by a specific duration. For instance, you would say, Mr. ALWIN has been a smoker for the past 30 years. Here, for the past 30 years specifies the duration. However, be cautious not to use for with expressions like all day or all the time. For instance, instead of saying, I was there for all day, you would say, I was there all day. Moving on to since. This word is used to refer to a specific starting point in time from the past up to the present, indicating that the action is still ongoing. For example, Mr. George has been drinking since 2000. Here, since 2000 feet specifies the starting point. Similarly, you would say, Mrs. Claire has been suffering from joint pain since Monday. In this case, since Monday indicates the beginning of the action. Now that we've covered the fundamentals of since and for, let's put your knowledge to the test. In the comments below, write a sentence using either since or for correctly in a medical context. Thank you for joining us today in unraveling the mystery of since and for in OET writing. Remember, mastering these words will significantly enhance your patient history writing skills, leading to success in the OET exam. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable OET writing tips.